Hi, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama, and we practice Social Security, disability, workers' comp, and personal injury at our practice throughout the state of Alabama. I want to take a few minutes and talk about the compassionate allowances under the Social Security Administration when applying for Social Security benefits. This is a way to quickly identify diseases and other medical conditions that, by definition, meet the Social Security standards for disability benefits. These conditions primarily apply to cases where people are dealing with cancer, adult brain disorders, and a number of rare disorders that also affect children. The Compassionate Allowances initiative helps the administration to reduce the waiting time to reach a disability determination for individuals with these most serious of conditions. And the administration uses the same criteria when someone is applying for supplemental security income, that's SSI, or the disability insurance, and that's SSDI. And they gather their information from all different sources, such as medical data, medical research that's out there, the opinions from doctors, medical records from the applicant's doctors, and there's a very long list of those conditions that I'll put at the bottom of this video. But here's a few things why you should consider, if you have one of these conditions, to try for in the compassionate allowances section when applying for benefits. Typically, the wait time and approval time is much less than it is for the typical average applicant. A decision process could be as quick as 6 months or up to about a year or so, just depending on how long it takes to get the information together and to get it in front of a decision maker. Because the approval process is much quicker than the other types of programs, you're going to need to be organized with all of your medical information and your medical records and be prepared much more quickly than you would be when you have more time in the regular application process. Let's see, there's no extra work required when doing these type of applications. Payments, but keep in mind that once you're approved, payments are not instant. It could be a couple of weeks to a couple of months before they're available. And Medicare is awarded after a normal waiting period, so that could be 24 months after being approved. There's more to it than that. We'll be glad to talk to you further about any questions or concerns that you've got. You can reach us at 205-930-6900. Our website is nomberglaw.com. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and tell us your thoughts. And if you didn't care for it, that is just fine as well. Subscribing to our channel will ensure that you'll get these videos as they come out. Lastly, we are found on other social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook.